Majeed Memon is also joining us on this broadcast. Mr. Memon, as far as Pathan said, let the law of the land take its course. Your first up reaction on the partial relief coming in for Nupur Sharma.
Well, when a petitioner seeks anticipatory bail, the courts are expected to hear both sides. The respondents are to be served and the respondents are also to be heard in addition to hearing the petitioner. That is how the justice is delivered in the matter. Now, naturally, in this case also, when the petitioner has approached Supreme Court, the court has issued notice to the respondents and has now fixed the matter for the next date for hearing. And during the interim period, invariably, the courts are granting relief, not to arrest till the next date, so that the merits of the matter would be examined on the next day when the other side also would be heard, so that court can do justice. I wish that this particular sensitive matter, which has created a lot of unrest and controversies, which is stretched over so much time, must end now with the Honorable Supreme Court speaking out what the actual justice, both for Nupur Sharma and for those who are on the other side, would be appropriate in the...
And Mr. Memon, you make a very strong point there, and hence that begs two very important questions. As you just said that you want this entire matter to end because this is going on and stretching in for too long, and well, we're letting the law of the land take its course in this country, and that is exactly what is happening. While she has been given protection from any course of action against these FIRs till 10th of August, the larger question in terms of a threat to her life, which she's getting from these various factions still exist. In that regard, what kind of an order would you like to see the Supreme Court making in that regard?
The court certainly would discourage people trying to provoke, the rivals or on the other side, those who are having different ideology or different thoughts or are pursuing different religious beliefs. You see, this must end up. We are living in a secular society, and we are living under the Constitution of India. Our civil rights, our criminal rights, all are protected and enforced under the Constitution of India. I think we must see light of the day. We must understand our rights, at the same time our duties as well. And we must know as to if we have freedom of expression and speech, we must also know that such right is not absolute. That right also has some line to be drawn, and therefore we must respect the other side. These kinds of provocative statements flowing from this side or that side is not